So today we still have our project of compiler, but it's still taking a while. Once I'm gonna finish, I'm gonna publish the full course. As for today, we're gonna be publishing one of our packages that I just finished. So I'm gonna start by clicking here, go into our packages, then inside packages again, should have an add package. Right here, go to profile and add private package. In the beginning it's private enable. Let me just see. Okay, so this will work again. There we go. So we're gonna go to our package. So we have the package here. We're just gonna have to log in, but first, since I moved some files, I'm just gonna have to go and copy our SDK. Put it in the desktop. And then we'll open a terminal. Then gonna log in. So you click enter to the browser. Actually, copy this. Let me do one more thing. You're gonna copy this link. You go where you have actually your account login. And just add this. So give me just 1 sec. I'm just gonna do the step of verification, and I'll be back with you with it. So once you enter the code received in your email, you get logged in successfully. You just click back home. Then in your terminal, you should be logged in. Now to upload, we're just gonna write npm publish, and then we can do access public. Let me double check if I have everything licensed. Yes, perfect. 3D file, perfect. So we're just gonna do publish. and we can do access, make it public. Okay, let me just do publish. Total 27, publish npm, test default access. Okay, error npm first authentication. Okay, let's check what was the problem. npm login again. Okay, I need to log in here because this is actually my browser default. So if you just give me 1 sec. Just because I want my credentials to be in private, because it's really important. Your username and password, you just need them. Because I'm logging in a different browser and it's actually using the Edge browser, where actually it's not authenticated. Just gonna authenticate. Let me double check my packages. Because it didn't go through yet. Bear with me 1 sec. Okay, it's actually within the npms. Let's investigate what was the problem. So we need actually access token, read documentation, and then One sec. Okay, so it is, let me see, settings. Where do I have settings? I think here, account settings, access token, generate one access token. So yeah, we're gonna need to bypass this one, and then we're gonna give the token a name and a description. We can okay. So unique name for the token, description. Bypass permission, read and write, and permission organize packages and resource. I'll have just two, and we're gonna make it customized for less than, let's do, let's check into the calendar, valid until tomorrow, that would be good. And what is it says, okay, our packages, since we don't have any inside, and generate. We copy this, then we go inside here, we do npm logout, npm login, or we can do publish. So So, sorry. So it actually jump us straight forward without adding the codes. So what we're gonna do is we just gonna get one more email. Should be enough one. Log in, go back. We should have logged in to the browser. Now let's do publish. Okay. Let's actually do the token itself. Generate it. Let me just get that. Token is not from here. Let's copy back this one. And this time let's paste it here and see actually publish access dash access. Uncertain why I didn't want. Says to authentication factor. Okay. Enable. We still need to enable this. Confirm. Enter your security key name. Give me just 1 second. I'll be with you. No, let's try again. So after enabling the 2 factors, so let's try again to see if it will actually allow us to log in. Okay, we still have okay, my problem it's actually my browser. So give me just 1 second. So settings, default app, uh, then you would make Chrome IO. I don't know why it should be all Chrome. depends what's your preference where you are saving your passwords and stuff. That's the browser that you should be actually using. Let's try again. Should take me this time to Chrome. Perfect. Use security key, confirm. Now go back. Let me see this time. Let me remove the node models. Perhaps that's one of the reasons. And now let me put publish so it's not going to be filled in this time. Let's try to publish now. As you see, it asks us to open to the browser since we did it correctly this time. Now if we click here, we should publish it correctly. Now if we go to our panel, forbidden, okay. Let me check if someone has actually okay, seems like someone have already published this code. JSON. What is this package? Yeah, someone have used it, the name of more, but anyway, we can call it. Let us see if we can. Anyway, we're gonna have to change the name. Oh, give me a second because I have created an authorization token. Read documentation. Let us delete this one. Okay. Now we're not gonna generate, but actually we're gonna try to republish again. It says one of the packages. What is the package? Actually, I'm gonna remove build. So let us remove the build since we don't need the build inside our package JSON. Let's remove the configuration in the build. Since it's already built, we don't want it to rerun again into the build twice. So model script build div start. This one side. I'll remove the script actually. And I'll remove plus because it's already built, we don't want it to rebuild. So and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the npms. And I'm gonna do again npm install. And that actually should allow it to pass without now publish. Now if I click enter, try again, authenticate user, continue, then we should get back a package version that is forbidden by your security policy. And what is that package version? Find more details in the logs, cache logs. And let's go to cache logs. And let's look for this one here, 2032. Let's look for today by time. So it's gonna be this one. Text. Okay. Okay. Security window policy. Okay, maybe need to be an administrator. And that's most likely the Windows policy security, right? And publish. Okay. I'll get